We are living in a period where second-guessing everything we see online has become the norm. Is this fake? Is it real? These questions were present in the comment sections of many videos, but as we are marching ahead to the future, a new question arises. Is this a video generated by Sora AI? For those who haven't heard about this AI tool, Sora AI can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. To fully understand this AI tool, we need to go even deeper, and to do so, we will take a trip down the brief memory lane of this existing yet terrifying project. Imagine a sky full of boundless creativity. That's what inspired the team behind Sora. As in the Japanese language, the word Sora means sky, and it's safe to say that the sky may indeed be the limit for this latest innovation from OpenAI. On February 15, 2024, the world got its first taste of Sora's magic as OpenAI unveiled snippets of its prowess. They showed a sleek SUV navigating mountain roads, a whimsical creature by a candle, a wintry stroll through Tokyo, and even convincing historical footage of the California gold rush. These weren't real scenes, they were conjured by Sora, each minute-long video a testament to its remarkable abilities. Even after managing to achieve something so remarkable, they didn't stop there. As OpenAI CEO Sam Altman took to Twitter, now X, and started delighting users by sharing Sora-generated videos in response to their prompts. But when will the public get their hands on this groundbreaking tool? OpenAI remains tight-lipped, promising access in due time without setting a date. Yet, before Sora takes center stage, it's undergoing rigorous testing. A select red team of experts is putting it through its paces, scrutinizing for any signs of misinformation or bias. Meanwhile, a lucky group of creatives, videographers, artists, and more, are getting a sneak peek, providing invaluable feedback on how Sora could revolutionize their fields. The future of creativity is on the horizon, and Sora is leading the way. And hopefully, that way will lead us to the stars rather than to our demise. To get a better grasp on this, let's focus on some key features of Sora AI. At its core, Sora AI embodies a culmination of advanced AI technologies, drawing upon OpenAI's groundbreaking work with DALL-E to adapt and scale for video generation. This isn't just about generating videos, it's about crafting immersive visual narratives that resonate with audiences. Sora's versatility knows no bounds. Whether you're envisioning realistic portrayals or abstract fantasies, Sora can bring your vision to life. From filmmaking to advertising to educational content, Sora serves as a valuable asset across a bunch of industries, offering creative possibilities previously unobtainable. Powered by the innovative diffusion models, Sora bridges the gap between textual imagination and visual realization. It meticulously translates basically all the details from text prompts into coherent video sequences, ensuring a seamless transition from concept to execution. But Sora isn't just about technical prowess. It's about understanding the essence of scenes and motions, capturing the essence of each narrative with an unparalleled level of sophistication. It's like having a seasoned cinematographer embedded within the AI, ensuring every frame resonates with authenticity and depth. Yet, accessibility remains paramount. Sora boasts a user-friendly interface, making its advanced capabilities accessible to a wide range of creators, regardless of technical expertise. This democratization of advanced video production tools empowers individuals to unleash their creativity without constraints. Moreover, Sora is committed to ethical AI development, integrating safeguards to prevent the generation of misleading, harmful, or infringing content. The dedication put in this aspect may give Sora AI the role of a catalyst for positive changes, but the lack of said dedication may prove to be everything but positive. Before we shift and start talking about the dangers of Sora AI, we would like you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support is always appreciated. Let's not waste any more time. The rise of Sora AI, while promising unparalleled creative potential, also casts a shadow of uncertainty over the digital landscape. Its arrival heralds a new era filled with ethical complexities and potential dangers that must be navigated with caution. One of the biggest concerns is something that probably most of you already had in mind, and that's disinformation. Sora's remarkable ability to fabricate convincing video content from mere text descriptions opens the floodgates to a lot of falsehoods and deceit. In the murky depths of the internet, where truth and fiction blur these days, Sora's creations could be used as a potent weapon of manipulation, easily starting panics and distorting reality. But that's not all. There's a lot more dangers that this AI tool might pose. Like a shadow creeping across the digital realm, the specter of intellectual property infringement looms large. As Sora pops out videos based on textual prompts, it treads close to the boundaries of copyright law. Sora's creations risk trampling upon the rights of creators and owners alike. In the world of movies and entertainment, things can get tricky. Imagine bringing back someone who's passed away in a movie without asking their family first. It's not just about playing with pixels. It's about respecting people's privacy and dignity even after they're gone. These AI-made copies of people who've passed away can feel like ghosts from the past, raising big questions about what's right and fair. For example, let's go back in time and imagine a movie that stars the late James Dean and Marilyn Monroe. Sounds like a blast from the past. Sora AI can analyze their patterns and movements while using other AI tools to mimic their voices. With this, you would have a guaranteed blockbuster, but here's where the ethical conundrum steps in. Their young lives were extinguished, and we all know that their careers only had more cinematic gold in store for them. Sounds amazing, right? This is where you get hooked and almost tricked by Sora AI. As marketing stunts like these would only bring upon a false sense of reality, triggering us into thinking that this is something awesome, when in fact, it's deeply disturbing and creepy. The dead stay dead for a reason, and regardless of the roles they might play, without their consent, it's simply unethical. Also, the deployment of advanced AI systems like Sora AI has the potential to disrupt industries and lead to job displacement. As automation increases efficiency and productivity in various sectors, certain jobs may become obsolete or require reskilling for workers to remain competitive in the workforce. Managing this transition responsibly is essential to minimize the negative impact on individuals and communities. Why should we even bother with text-to-video technology? Well, let's break it down. First off, it's all about efficiency and speed. Instead of waiting years for a movie to be produced, text-to-video can whip up one in no time. No more waiting around for actors and producers. Just input a few prompts and voila! Movie magic in an instant. Then there's the cost factor. Humans are great, but let's face it, we come with a lot of overhead. We get tired, we get sick, and we expect to be paid for our hard work. But with text-to-video, once the models are trained, there's no need for a whole team of people. Just a few tweaks here and there, and the rest is taken care of. This is definitely something that sounds amazing, but for anyone working in this industry, it's a complete nightmare. Human emotion is what makes movies good, don't forget that. But let's move on to the next positive, which will hopefully give us more reasons to not be afraid of this impending change. Scalability. AI doesn't need breaks or paychecks, so why not take advantage of that? It can handle a ton of work without breaking a sweat, making it a cost-effective solution for all sorts of tasks. Text-to-video has some pretty sweet benefits beyond just entertainment. Take education, for example. With tools like Sora AI, teachers and students can create or watch videos without being bombarded by ads or spending hours on class presentations. Plus, it makes information easier to digest, breaking down complex topics into bite-sized video summaries. This is by far the most impressive and somewhat ethical benefit so far. Instead of letting AI do all the work, we can use it to make our learning process more efficient, and instead of letting it replace the teachers, this could help them instead. Now, after listening to all of that, should we be worried about Sora? Maybe a little. It's a powerful tool, and with great power comes great responsibility, right? Let's hope that this power will be used for good, as it was used in the movie from where this quote came, Spider-Man. So while Sora AI may be a game changer, it's up to us to make sure it's used responsibly. After all, with great technology comes great potential, for both good and bad. But don't worry, OpenAI is not leaving us in the dark. They've put up some strong rules and made sure to think about ethics. Yet, as tech keeps moving forward, it's like a never-ending game of tug-of-war between what's right and what's not. In this big digital world where good and bad are always fighting, the future of Sora AI hangs in the balance. Will it be a guide, shining a light on better ways? Or will it get lost in the shadows it's trying to clear? Only time will give us the answers.